Anthony, great to see you again. Thanks for being with us.
Pleasure being here again.
Borqs is a global leader in providing end-to-end solutions for the Internet of Things market. Give us an overview of your operations and the customers you serve.
We call ourselves the expert of Android devices, and that's based on two important licenses that we have. The first one is a license for mobile connectivity with Qualcomm. We are licensed to produce devices based on the suite of Qualcomm chipsets. The second important license that we have is from Google. We have the Android and Android Wear license. With that, we're able to customize terminal devices for customers all over the world. Case in point, we made a adult tracker for a division of Best Buy, which is sold in the market today.
Let's look at that relationship with Qualcomm, Anthony. Borqs, of course, is a Qualcomm partner, and Qualcomm is a shareholder in Borqs. Tell us a little bit more about the relationship.
The relationship with Qualcomm has been for many years and is multifold. Qualcomm became a shareholder of ours in the year 2017. They contract us for software development work that has been going on for many years. We write codes for the latest chipsets and also updates for the existing suite of chipsets. We also buy things from Qualcomm. We buy the chipsets from Qualcomm and put them into the customized devices for our other customers.
In September, Anthony, Borqs announced a binding term sheet to acquire Holuho Energy, which could add $48 million in revenue next year with more than $8 million in EBITDA. What will this acquisition mean longer term for the company?
This could be a game changer for us. We believe alternative energy is going to be the future. There is no looking back. This solar power energy started in Hawaii. And for the type of market that they're looking for, which is multiple unit dwellings, I think the market in Southern California, it's much, much better than that in Hawaii. So we're very excited and fortunate to be able to work with them from this early stage.
For all of Borqs' many activities, how big is the market opportunity, Anthony?
The market opportunity in the United States alone is projected to $60 billion by the year 2023. And there have been talks about the global market by the year 2026 will be over $600 billion.
Let's talk about your business model. How does Borqs make money?
Okay, there are two parts to our business now. Our traditional business is to do original design devices for our customers. Our customers pay us in a couple of ways. First, there is upfront R&D, what we call non-recurring engineering costs. They pay us for the design because everything that we made for our customers, they practically do not exist before the project started. So everything that we do is customized. There is engineering costs upfront, and then there is a margin that we make for the manufacturing of the hardwares. Now, for the Holuho Energy, that business enjoys an over 20% gross margin. So we are very excited that after we sign a definitive agreement with them, which will be soon, we will be able to consolidate the finances.
Anthony, Borqs has a strong team in place with a proven track record of execution. Tell us about some of the key players on your team.
Well, Craig, I'd like to start with myself. I consider myself an old-timer with doing business with China. As a matter of fact, my very first job as an expatriate sent back to Beijing, China, was in 1984. That was very early on when the US and China just started to have trades with each other. From then, I have worked with many companies that have businesses in China as their financial person and sometimes as the chief financial officer. So I am very familiar with cross-border trades between the United States and China. Our software design team is located in India and is headed by Harish Ramana. He has been a ex-Motorola software engineer, and he has joined our company about 8 years ago. He's been in the software mobile design business for over 20 years. For hardware design, our executive vice president is Simon Sun, and he has been in the hardware design business for over 20 years as well.
To sum up, Anthony, what is the essential value proposition? Why should investors take an interest in Borqs today?
We're looking at some recovery from the pandemic, although a bit slowly due to the shortage of components. But we're looking forward to a more robust 2022, especially when we have the energy company under wraps.
A great story, Anthony. Thanks for being with us today.
It's a pleasure, Craig. I'd love to be here again.